Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, as you might have guessed, and today I have a special treat for you. We're going to be going over BOXY CHARM April 2021 base box. Okay, so a little bit about this box and this subscription. It costs $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, one of them in which you can choose. However, this is the first month that I got the subscription, so I did not get to choose my product for the month. But they are supposed to have like a little mix of makeup from ranging from like medium price makeup, high end makeup. So I was super excited to try some of this stuff because normally I wouldn't be able to afford to try some of this stuff that is supposed to be in some of these boxes. So I'm super excited. So far with shipping. So they sent this box out to me on the 8th. I got it on the 9th. Crazy, right? Yeah, super fast. The very next day. So that made me happy that that was already sitting on my front porch the very next day. Anyways, let's go ahead and just get right on into the box. So normally when you open up the box, it's going to look like this. And normally, yes, there is bubble wrap on the top, but my kids stole it from me. So we're going to go ahead and get on with the box. And this month's theme is sweet treats. So we're going to go ahead and go through what we got into the box. Okay, up first, I have a Terra de Mars body wash. Now, this one is the only one I can say that I actually did try, because the other ones I kind of wanted to wait to try, because I know with like makeup a lot of times I need to try it a couple times before I can tell if it's something that I would really want to use. So with soap, I kind of feel like if you like it, you like it. You don't, you don't. I accidentally was smelling this and some of it got in my fingers. So I did wash my hands with this product. And to me, it smells like essential oils. So if you're into that kind of thing, that essential oil aromatherapy type smell, this might be really good for you. However, for me, I probably would not go out and buy it just because simple fact it does not soap up very well. And I like to have a really good lather with my soaps. But, yep, there's that one. So that one was okay. I wasn't too excited about it, but hey, it's soap. You could use it. That's what that looks like there. I know, guys, I need a manicure badly. I mentioned, guys, that this one here was actually valued at $22 for that body wash. Okay, next is Touch and Soul Primer. So this is a Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, and it's supposed to have a cooling effect on the skin, and it is valued at $32. So that's kind of cool. I actually was out of primer, so to me this paid for the whole box because this is $32 and the box was only $25. Okay, so for this one here, so it comes in this cute little pink jar like this. And I did watch other people unbox this, and I was like, the texture looks a little weird. See, watch. It's just like, I don't know. It looked weirder online when I seen other people do it, but actually, wow, that's kind of cool. It's like a jelly, but it's not sticky like it looks like. See how that goes on the skin there. Wow, it really does have like a cooling effect on it, and it does feel super hydrated when you put it on your skin. So there's that. Excited about this one. Next, this is the one I wasn't too excited about because I feel like on the website they do ask you like what your skin type's like, what kind of makeup you would prefer to have. And I feel that I have red skin. And I know like the lighting's a little weird in here. You can't exactly see everything. And I do have foundation on, so you can't really tell. But I have really bad rosacea. And I did put that in there that I have it. So I don't really think they looked at it. not really sure. And also they sent out a survey like, would you rather have this product or this product? I did click the green corrector, but I got the purple one and lavender. Sorry. But that's okay because I can still try it out. It says to brighten the skin, the purple. And also for people that have like a lot of yellow in their skin or any kind of dark spots would be great for them as well. Okay, and next we're getting into Dragon Lash Queen Beauty Mascara. And let's just see what the tube looks like here. So there's that. And let's just see what the wand looks like on this one. Just a standard comb. So I've never tried this type of mascara before. So this mascara, it has a special formula in it that's supposed to make your lashes healthier. And this is actually valued at $18. So I think we're doing pretty good so far as value goes on this box. And last but not least, this is the thing I was actually most excited for out of this box because I've heard so many good things about Natasha Denona's products. She is very high-end, expensive makeup. So this is the palette I got. It is Natasha Denona's Jubilee palette. Super excited about these colors. They had several palettes with different colors. One was more like a neutral color. I was more happy for these because I do like a little bit of brightness from time to time. I do like natural as well, but I feel like I got a lot of natural colors right now, so a little bit of color would be nice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors for you. Okay, so I swatched them for you. And here is the colors. Let me get my camera to focus here for a second. Okay, the top one is the light blue, then we have a darker blue, and then the other one is like a light yellow. It almost just looks like a topper color for me, or just like a highlight almost. And then we have the two pinks on the bottom, which I don't really care for pinks myself. They just don't really look good with my eye color and my face as much, but I will give it a try. I am super excited because the eyeshadows are known for having their really strong pigments. So overall, I was very happy with my box. There was 4 out of 5 items that I was really happy about or excited about. And my total value of my box this month was $145, and I only spent $25 on the box. So that is awesome and great. So overall, I am very happy with the box, but I'm also really excited to share with you all the other subscriptions that I have coming in the mail, and they should be here sometime this week. So I will be uploading more videos for that. So be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm Erin. Thanks for watching.